Virtual Learning, 8th grade ELO with Mrs. Bryant. Today we're taking another look at what makes a complete sentence. A sentence expresses a complete thought. It has a subject, or who or what is doing something, and a predicate telling you what the subject is doing. For example, the students are in the computer lab. Subject, the students. Predicate, are in the computer lab. Who or what is in the computer lab? The students. What are the students doing? They're in the computer club. They learn about computers. What do? Learn about computers. Who learns about computers? They do. Notice that in this sentence, the words the students was replaced with the pronoun they. The most important word in a subject is the noun or pronoun. The most important word in the predicate is the verb. An older student leads the club. She knows everything about computers. Look underneath the box on your packet at the Try It section. Activity A. Write whether the underlined part of the sentence is the subject or the predicate. Then write the most important word in it. Kichi is in the computer club. Is in the computer club, the underlined part, is the predicate. Is the most important word in it because it is the verb. Pause the video and complete the exercises, then press play to continue. Part B in the Try It section says add a noun, a pronoun, or a verb to complete the subject or predicate of each sentence. Mr. Marcus is a noun, that is the subject, so we need to add something in the predicate to make this a complete sentence. It is missing a verb. Mr. Marcus blank us at computer club. Something that would make sense in this blank that the teacher could do for students at the computer club. Teaches would be a verb that would make sense to fill in that blank. Pause the video and complete these exercises, then press play to continue. In the Write It section of your packet, Activity C says add a subject or a predicate to complete each sentence about school clubs. My school is a subject. This sentence is missing a predicate, and we need to make sure that our predicate is about school clubs. My school has a robotics club. That gives us a predicate about school clubs to make this a complete sentence. Pause the video now and complete the exercises for Part C, then press play to continue. Activity D says, what club would you like to join in your school? Why? Write 3 sentences. Draw a line between each subject and predicate, and then underline the most important word in each part. Reminder, the most important word in the subject is a noun or pronoun, and the most important word in the predicate is the verb or action word. For example, I might say, I would like to join the yearbook club at my school. It says draw a line between the subject and predicate. So I would draw a line between I and would, because I is the subject and would like to join tells me what I would like to do. Then I underline the most important part. I is the subject, the pronoun in the subject, and join is the action word. I have underlined I and join. Pause the video and complete these exercises, and then press play to continue. Edit it. Activity E, numbers 16 through 20. Edit the rules for the computer lab. Fix 5 subjects or predicates. If you read the computer lab rules, you will see that some of them are missing subjects and some of them are missing predicates. Let's read number 1. Cannot eat or drink in the lab. We know what we cannot do, but we do not know who cannot do it. We are missing a subject. You need to add the subject, and it should say, "We cannot eat or drink in the lab." Pause the video and complete the exercises, then press play to continue. Bring your completed packet when we return to in-person classes.